You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary as well in English that many get confused by, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. But let's break down the pronunciation of this word. The spelling is confusing, but it's actually easy. Realm, realm. An example of sentence: his realm of interest is literature and politics. Realm is how you say it, and now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more. Remember, the pronunciation of this word is realm. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.